Hello everybody, today we will do this split, and how to do that I will show you now. So stay with me if you're interested in how to sit in that position. So but now I will show you some warm-up which help you to do the splits, maybe in not first day but in future. Okay, we will start to do pushing so slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Sit, keep the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly slide. We will take warm up our back leg. So be careful and stretch good. Okay, after that we will stay in this position and start to do pushings down. Our stomach must go on our leg. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Amazing work. So that we will go and take our blocks back. Okay, and after I will show you how to take our leg on these blocks. So I will take only my hands and take my back leg on the feet, and then I will look and take my knee on these blocks. So good work. And now we're starting a little bit pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. After that we will work with back leg. Our feet must look up, not like that, okay? Like this, and pushing it up. So 2. And guys, stay with me because I will show you split, but now we will do warm up, so stay with me. It will be interesting. So, okay, after that, I will try to take my body and take my back leg in this position, and still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I will slide in the split finally and sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and take back leg. So like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And then stretch and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And we will try take down and take back leg and stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. And now I will try take back. Be careful because when a lot of blocks it can fall down, and sit in the split. Amazing work. Then we take 2 legs together, take our breath, and breathe out, relax and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, it takes me likes, and write me good comments. So bye bye.